Hey everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a layered stencil art with IKONART custom stencil kit. Today I'm going to be printing on a small canvas pouch. I am measuring the area where I want my design to be. Make sure to always measure and resize your artwork accordingly. For the design, you can either download or create your own. I'm using Procreate on my iPad and I'm drawing in 3 different layers. One for the white background, one for the colors inside the items, and one for the outline. Then I'll turn every layer drawing into black. And we'll accommodate them in an 8.5 by 11 file, adding black squares in the same position on each layer. These are going to be our guides to layer our piece correctly. We're going to print our design on the IKONART inkjet printer film. The instructions say to print on the dull side. Remember to invert your image before printing. After printing, place your IKONART textile film underneath your IKONART lamp. Place your stencil film on top and place the plastic that comes with your kit on top of everything. Cure for 35 seconds. After 35 seconds, place your stencil on the clipboard that also comes with your kit. We're now going to wash our stencil to reveal our design. Let dry completely and put under the light for 3 more minutes. This will make our stencil more durable. I'm going to cut some small pieces of cardstock to put underneath the square guides. Doing this will prevent us from painting the fabric and layer our piece correctly. Since I'm new to screen printing, I'm adding painter's tape to prevent my ink from painting outside the stencil. Make sure to apply a generous amount of ink to cover the whole design. Now using my IKONART squeegee, I'm going to spread the ink down in a steady motion. This stencil will stick well to fabric, but this canvas pouch had a lot of texture, making it difficult to stick to it. I'm now going to paint the squares with red so it's more visible. I'm also using IKONART squeegee. Wash your stencil immediately and let the ink dry completely. Next stencil will be for the color. Now it looks used because I was practicing on another pouch. I just wanted this piece to be perfect. Line it up with the squares and put the tape. I lost one of the squares in the process, but I managed to line it up correctly. Add tape to the nearby areas that you don't want to paint with that color. Keep adding the paint progressively until the whole design is complete. I like using this squeegee because it has different angles and it helps me with the small areas. During this process, I learned not to press down too hard and definitely not use fabric paint that is too runny, since this can cause the paint to flow underneath the stencil, damaging your design. I'm correcting some minor imperfections with a brush, and now let dry completely for the next step. I made 2 of these, and this is what I was talking to you about. Now the last step. the outline. For this step, you don't need the squares anymore since you can easily see the design underneath and it's easy to align. I'm using Speedball fabric paint in black. And now the most satisfying and rewarding part. What I really love about this kit is how fast and easy it was to turn my art into a stencil. Special thanks to IKONART for sending me this kit. Go subscribe to their YouTube, the link will be down below. And if you want to start creating custom stencils, go buy this kit with a 15% off your entire order with the coupon code JANABSTRA. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and let me know in the comments what would you like to create if you own one of these kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.